Tips for ultimate beach getaway. Hello, and welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of travel. Today, we're talking about the ultimate beach getaway and how to plan the perfect beach vacation. Beach vacations are a great way to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, relax, and soak up some sun. But, there are a few things to consider when planning the perfect beach getaway. In this video, we will share our top tips and tricks to help you plan a stress-free and enjoyable beach holiday. Tip 1. Choose the perfect location. The first and most important aspect of planning a perfect beach getaway is selecting the right location. Every beach destination has its unique atmosphere and activities. If you are planning a romantic getaway, you may want a secluded beach with fewer crowds. If you're traveling with kids, you may prefer a more vibrant beach with tons of water sports and activities. You also want to consider the accommodation options to meet your needs, whether it is budget-friendly or luxurious. Always research the location to know what to expect in terms of weather, things to do, accommodation options, and budget. Tip 2. Plan your packing. The next tip is to plan your packing. Packing for the beach can be challenging, and in most cases, you don't need to bring everything you own. We recommend packing clothing that can double as beachwear and regular wear, such as shorts, dresses, and light shirts, sunglasses, sunscreen, and towels. It is advisable to pack a beach bag with water, snacks, hats, and extra towels. Remember, essentials are a must, and a little goes a long way when it comes to packing. Tip 3. Choose the best season. The third tip is to plan your vacation season. Timing is everything when it comes to planning a beach vacation. The season you travel to the beach destination can determine the overall vibe of the location and weather. Some beaches are better visited during the summer months, while others are suitable for winter escapes. Ensure you research information about the seasons so that you can plan the most suitable time to maximize your beach vacation potential. Tip 4. Research activities. The fourth tip of planning a beach getaway is researching the available activities. Beach vacations are not just about the sand and the sun. They offer a range of activities that you can engage in while on vacation. From water sports such as snorkeling and kayaking, beach games, and even beach concerts. Ensure you research and plan for activities that you can do with your family or significant other to make the most of your vacation. Tip 5. Plan your budget. The fifth and final tip is to formally budget for your trip. A beach vacation can be affordable, but plan your budget to ensure you don't overspend. Research and book your flights and accommodation early to secure the best deals. Always research the local currency and standard prices for activities and food so that you can budget accordingly. Knowing your limits will help reduce stress and ensure that you enjoy your beach vacation. In conclusion, a beach getaway is a perfect way to refresh your mind, relax, and explore a new destination. Ensure you prepare adequately for your trip by choosing the best location, planning your packing, researching activities, choosing the perfect season, and planning your budget. Always research the location for more information before making your final decision. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we hope this video will help you plan a stress-free beach getaway.